Today we will be making one of the favorite of Filipinos, OB cheese pandesal. Pandesal is a common bread roll in the Philippines. It is most commonly served hot and may be eaten as is, or dipped in coffee, hot chocolate drink or milk. Some bakers added some flavors in it by adding some OB and cheese to make it more tasty. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare the yeast mixture. We need 1 cup lukewarm fresh milk. We need 1 tablespoon white sugar and 2 teaspoons dry yeast. Pour the fresh milk into a bowl. Add the white sugar and dry yeast and mix well. Let it activate for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 2. Prepare the flour mixture. We need 3 1/4 cups bread flour, 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 cup of white sugar. Sift the flour to remove lumps. If you want to try this recipe, you can check the full recipe in the description box below. When done, add the white sugar and salt. Mix well until combined. Step 3. Preparing the dough. Combine the flour mixture and the yeast mixture you prepared earlier. Make a well in the middle of the flour and pour the yeast mixture. After mixing, add 1/2 cup olive oil or cooking oil into the bowl. You can use melted butter if you prefer. Next, add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 teaspoons OB flavoring and OB food coloring. Mix until well combined. If you want to try this recipe, you can check the full recipe in the description box below. Step 4. Knead the dough on a flat surface. When done, prepare a bowl and coat the inner surface with oil, and place the dough. Coat the dough with oil. Cover and let it rise for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Step 5. After 1 hour 30 minutes. Cut the dough into portions. To ensure even baking, try to make each pandesal the same size. Step 6. Stuff the dough with cheddar cheese and form them into a ball shape as shown. To ensure even baking, try to make each pandesal the same size. Step 7. Coat them with breadcrumbs. Load the pandesal onto the tray, leaving sufficient space between to allow for expansion. When done, cover and let it rise for another 45 minutes to an hour. Step 8. Baking. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Done. Enjoy your OB cheese pandesal. Serve hot with coffee or milk. Try this recipe and you will not regret the result. Thank you for watching. Please check also my other videos and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated with my next upload.